iPhone SE2 is expected to launch in 2018 and the handset has already been subjected to several leaks and rumors. The smartphone, supposed to be the successor to the iPhone SE, is possibly going to launch in May or at Apple's WWDC this year. Meanwhile, there have been many conflicting reports surrounding the design of the handset. Now, fresh images of an alleged iPhone SE2 units have leaked showcasing a fully built phone. Shared by LeakMSaveTA Nakla show a smartphone that looks similar to the iPhone SE. However, the alleged iPhone SE2 appears to have a glossy back panel, suggesting that it could be made of glass instead of the aluminium construction of its predecessor. This information is in line with previous reports that suggested that the handset may come with wireless charging support like the iPhone X, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. Interestingly, the images show that the Apple may keep the headphone jack intact in the iPhone SE2, a feature that was earlier rumored to have been removed. Also, in line with the company's latest trend, they show just an iPhone branding on the back, without the FCC write-up. As per the images, iPhone SE tweaks on the rear side, but the front of the handset looks similar to its predecessor. It appears to have a similar Touch ID display, selfie camera setup, and bezels. Earlier reports had claimed that Apple may not include the Face ID feature in the new handset. The iPhone SE May 2nd also get the Apple A10 Fusion processor that Apple debuted during the iPhone 7 series launch. Another expected feature is the support for HEIF/HEVC media recordings. Other rumored specify actions of the upcoming handset, including a 4.2-inch display, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB/128 GB of inbuilt storage.